from Congo. Anybody eat peanut butter?
Is that cabbage?
Loves peanut butter.
Okay, it's a peanut butter sauce.
Oh, shoot.
It's called Fumbwa. Where I come from, we call this Fumbwa.
Fumbwa.
Why? So wait, don't start yet.
Sorry, I get a little excited.
We're doing together. And this, it's called kwanga. You eat this with the soup.
Do we unravel it?
Yes, open it.
So you do presents.
Yeah. Huh? This is kind of
Can
fun.
we dunk it?
You ready?
I've been waiting for, yes, I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna taste amazing.
Okay, first step. Cut like this. Second step, inside. And then.
Very good.
Wow. I've never had anything like this.
Serge, I don't want this going to your head, but this may be the best soup I've ever had. Okay?
Really?
Yes?
So good.
Yeah. What do you do with your hands after?
Do you lick them or
Huh?
do you lick your
Yeah,
hands?
dig your hand.
Oh.
Usually we just have Bo. Bo, you might cleaning me off here?
Oh.
I was like, they ain't paying me enough for that, Biz.